learn, and every problem to solve brings you closer to the course.
Saan yung red sa Bulacau?
Nights.
Nights? Nights? It's not funny.
Of countless
Knights
possibilities in
versus
science and
warriors.
technology. The future of our nation's progress lies in the hands of young scholars like you.
I'm not like you though.
I like you. Joke lang.
May dinin
So
ako.
give it your all.
May din na dinin ako, promise.
And let this reviewer be the
Nag-promise na
first
to.
of many milestones on your road to becoming a proud scholar ng Anghab. Mga scholar ng bayan. Lagi
Hindi mo
lang
daw bayonet na yung bayonot. Gamit ang pangatlong tauhan. 1, 2, 3, go.
Si Angel Rose Vibar, 17, ay nagmula sa Bulak, Tumanog, Cebu. Siya ay nakatira sa Punta Princesa, Cebu City at nag-aaral sa Asian College of Technology International Educational Foundation ang kumukuha ng STEM strand. Plano niya ang kumuha ng engineering.
Plano niya ay maging isang ganap na
Construction worker pagdating ng kolehiyo.
tama.
Ano ba ito? Ang interest niya, interesado siyang mag-aral ng matematika. 1 plus 1 eh. Habang ang kahinaan niya naman ay ang pagsasaulo ng mga salita. Ikaw, how about you? Madami yang ano guys, madami yang credentials.
Wala akong credentials.
I want to explain to you what's the difference between RA 7687 and Merit Scholarship. Wait lang. Knowing the USC Undergraduate Scholarship Program.
Uy, bawal ba na? Joke lang.
Na may money ang among kwan guys, references. According to
Guys, good luck ninyo si Bibar. Pray for her. Pray for Angel Rose Bibar.
what is the SNT Undergraduate Scholarship? What is the SNT? Ano ang what comes in your mind when you hear the word SNT?
Kuan. Kanang silingan na sa GNP.
Very good. Madawa din siya sa UST guys. Bansay. Bansay.
Very good.
The SNT Undergraduate Scholarship Program aims
What
to
do you mean
stimulate
by SNT?
science and technology. Ito. And talented Filipino youths. Ilaw, kalay magbasa, magtudlo. To pursue lifetime productive careers in science and technology and ensure a steady adequate supply of qualified SNT.
Okay.
Ang RA, also known as the Science Technology Scholarship Act of 1994, provides for scholarship to talented, talent mo. Di ba? Wala namang talent. And deserving
Talent
students.
ako. Manulong ni Riza. Talent na yun.
Kasi hindi ko yung kaya gawin kasi ako ay mabait. Kaya siya lang ang magagawa nun, kaya siya ang may talent. Whose family's socioeconomic status does not exceed the set cut-off values of certain indicators. Qualifiers must pursue priority fields of study in the basic sciences, engineering, other competitive than science at basta STEM. So, mag-STEM na kayo.
Hindi mo silang ikuan nga.
Mag-STEM kayo kasi is a great foundation for scholarship.
Para sa scholarship.
Aim ka
Para sa future scholarship.
Dili dito mas pagka-scholar din.
Wala mo kalago. Kasi mag-ano lang ako. Trabaho ko sa IT.
Merit. Formerly known as the NSDP. No boyfriend, not single, lone mother.
Ano din na yun nga sa NSDP.
Wala kayo yung mga NSDA.
Yan, sana. Wait lang.
Pag napulitin,
NSTA.
Given one of the scholarship under RA is awarded to students with high aptitude in science and mathematics and are willing to pursue careers in the field of science and technology. So what are the benefits? Number 1, tuition and other school fees. Actual fees up to 40,000 per academic year. Learning materials and connectivity allowance 10,000 per academic year. Monthly living allowance 8,000 pesos per month of the academic year. allowance, 1,000 pesos. First sem of first year only.
Ding!
Wow! Nagkasanino na dyan worth 1K. Transportation allowance. One economy class round trip fare.
For those studying outside of home.
Yay! Ay,
Ding!
province of Cebu. So, outside home province. So, dapat natin sa outside sa Cebu.
Yes. Punta na naman. Pero pila man.
Wala. Group accident. So, ma-accidente ka.
Kung may nakabutang pila.
Oh, premium na. Premium siya. Not insurance premium. Thesis allowance, 10,000 pesos.
Ding!
And graduation allowance, 1,000. Joke lang nito, pero 1,000 pesos.
Ding!
So, another what are the qualified courses? See this link. Boop.
Mana, oy!
Tara, tara. Ay, na lang. Ay,
Malapit na.
Ay, screen magkano yun.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Pag-stay mo, ah.
Pray for us.
Pray for her.
Pray for her. Pray for her.
Referred. Referred.
Babay na. Babay na mga nonchalance.
Ibalik. Ang saan magbabay sa nanshala?
Pwede lang, muli, paki. Nalera. Uy, mga nonchalance.
Mga alien.
Diba ganyan, mga nonchalance. Bisa ko na, nanimula di paki.
Inali na rin mga taga main campus. Kami kay, main campus ko. Warriors! Bulakaw. Hawa ka, Awards. Kami mga taga main campus, mamin.
Dapat mo na. Joke lang, guys. Kanta riyan.
Ikikanta niya, ako yung lip sync.
Dapat mo na malaman na wala lang ang mga sinasabi ng mga nirabi. Nagbababaero, pangalan ko sa kwento, pero walang pruweba, puro lamang invento. Bababaero, bababaero, bababaero na. Jokes! Please mag-study man.
Sali na tayo. Bye-bye, guys! Ay, nansyalan, manta. Hindi yun si Rhea.
Uy, matagal naman ang ating hinihintay. Uy, kaya na tayo nabubuan dito.
Uy, pupunta na kami ng DPWH. Guys, asan na ba kayo?
Pati dito ma-approve. Alam mo ito, ano pala ba niya? Mana tawa? Kasi available, ugma na sir.
Yes, sir. Punta kami ng
Ano pa
DPWH.
malingon?
Oh, na mul. Alaga. Oh, na leader.
Guys, ako plano ang tama.
Oo, na,
Saturday o Sunday ka mag-revise. Mineria.
Ba't ako kasama?
Yung sama. Niya mo ito kay Kuan man. Wala ba din ako natalo akong phone. Because it's a rest day. Rest day.
Oh, init na.
Okay, Kuan man. This upcoming weeks kay Hell Week na. To rest before the hell is coming.
Babay na tayo. Punta na tayo ng DPWH. Guys, mag-teleport kami. Punta kami sa Department of
Agriculture. Department of Public.
Kasi yun sa DPWH.
Oh, Department of Public.
And Welfare.
No, no. Wala.
Really?
DPWH, oh. Department
Ikaw,
of Public Works and